Yo guys, how are you? So in this video, I'm showing you through my AdSense Arbitrage performance in real time so that you can see how I actually analyze what's working and what's not. So this is my real dashboard. This is why I keep refreshing it. And as you can see, there is real traffic, real numbers, and the goal here isn't to impress anyone. It is to show you how to think like a traffic arbitrager, since most people look at earnings only, but that's the last thing I check, because before you reach there, it starts with impressions, session behavior, and RPM before you take your account to this level. So because there are those who tell me whether the system can work for them, and I can say that this system works for everybody as long as you follow the exact instructions. You build up traffic slowly. This depends on the budget you have to build up traffic. Yeah, because as I told you, impressions, sessions behavior, and RPM, these are what tell whether the system is healthy or not. So guys, if those metrics are stable, revenue becomes very predictable instead of very stressful, because there are people who find themselves in situations like worrying about ads limits and so on, because you're doing it the wrong way. Yeah, when you build a good system that brings in traffic for you, you won't have to worry about all these issues, ads limit, getting banned, because you're driving in clean traffic that AdSense wants. So guys, when I look at this data, I'm not asking like why one day is higher than another, since these fluctuations exist. All I'm making sure is whether this traffic of mine that I'm bringing is behaving naturally. Are these users staying long enough to consume my content? Are they moving through the site logically in a way that Google approves as human? And are ads being served in the right context? So if any of those break, arbitrage will stop working, because there will not be a balance. And this is why random traffic and shortcuts, which are not structured, collapse always. So guys, performance comes from alignment of the right traffic sources, and it doesn't matter if you have brought a lot of traffic. Of course, the more the traffic, the more the money. But even with the little traffic, but it's quality traffic, you will still win. So guys, this is also where most people misunderstand arbitrage, because they think it's about pushing more traffic or bulk traffic, but it's really about refining the system. Small changes in layout, content flow, traffic intent, all these can completely change RPM without increasing your spend a lot. You'll be making more than you're spending. All that is what matters. You'll be making even 2 times, 3 times of the money you are spending, 4 times too, depending on the increase of the RPM. You'll be making returns. Yeah, because AdSense doesn't have a limit to what it can return to you. Even 7 times you can get, as long as this RPM aligns. So guys, once you learn how to read your data in this way, you stop guessing and start making decisions based on the signals that actually matter. Yeah. So guys, this exact way of analyzing performance is what I teach inside my course for building a 24/7 traffic system for AdSense blogs, and I show you how to interpret analytics correctly, how to spot early warning signs, how to scale what's working without breaking the system, and if you want to stop reacting to numbers and start understanding them, if you want to do AdSense arbitrage successfully and start making good income from your AdSense monetized blog, I will drop the link at the description area below where you can download this course, and I'll see you right inside. Cheers, man.